Last weekend, I took a trip down south to Kassel, the city my mother lives in, and I spent 4 days at her place.
All I need is love, but all I feel is pain. There is not enough love in this world, not enough to sustain. And when I look above, my eyes fill up with rain.
Frugivores, and welcome to my first recipe video. Today we're gonna make tacos. Ay, burritos pala. We're gonna use 1 can of kidney beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can of maize, some red jalapenos. We're also gonna cut this onion later. And we're gonna put these mung bean sprouts on. I'm going to drain and rinse them, and then we will use them. So this is what I bought. There are whole grain tortillas. They're perfect for just putting them in the oven real quick, just to warm them up, and then putting all the stuff inside and then rolling it up, and wow, you're gonna see. It's so delicious, my gosh. Usually what I would like to do is put guacamole base on it, but we don't have that here right now, so we're gonna use something else. We're gonna use this vegan remoulade that we found. It's pretty good for the base. We're also gonna use artichokes, which are perfect for this. We're also gonna use fresh spinach, which we're gonna put on the kidney beans that are currently not yet cooking, but hopefully soon. Bit of blueberry vinegar. I'm gonna add just a little bit to taste. We're using a little bit of harissa, a little bit more. We're also gonna use a little bit of cress. Some red kamatis. Looks good. Very nice. So this is my masterpiece. Let's see if it's not too much, so I can still roll it out. And it's a success. Bon appetit, mon ami. Oh, didn't see you there. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And as Goddess Freely always says, don't forget to fruit yourself today. Babush!